Hey guys, today I wanted to load some 9mm Makarov using AUTOCOMP. The problem is there's not really any load data for AUTOCOMP that I could find for the Makarov. So we're going to be kind of going off of 380 load data. Now 380 is fairly close in pressure, it's actually a little bit less and has a little bit less case fill. So I think that'll be a good starting point, and we'll just have to work our way up, check the primers, see if there's any pressure signs. AutoComp is good for plus P loads, so I think it'll be one of the safest bets. And I'll just show you quick. Here is the load data. And for bullets, we'll be using 93 grain hard cast. I forgot which manufacturer. And for brass, we're actually going to be using 9mm Luger sized down to Makarov. And it's all going to be Remington brass. And to do that, we're just going to be sizing 9mm Luger in the Makarov sizing die and then trimming it down to the correct length, which I believe is just under 0.7 inches. The trim length in my book says 0.710. Mine trims down to 0.695. And then we're just going to be using Fiocchi small pistol primers. And the gun we'll be testing it out of is a CZ82, and I have a heavier recoil spring in there, so it should be fine for going a little bit hotter. It might have trouble cycling the weaker loads, so we'll have to see about that.
Now we're on to AutoComp, 4.3 grains. See what we got here. I squibbed it. No fucking way. All right, well, that was the weakest thing I've ever seen. We got 398 feet per second. It barely left the barrel. So I'm not shooting those anymore. We're gonna go up. Oh God. All right, we're going to 4.9 grains. I did check and make sure the barrel is clear. There was no squib. The bullet did exit, so. Much better. We're at 744, but that is weak. That is weak. And we got a failure to eject. 820. 5.2 grains of AutoComp. 892. 833. 781. Well, they all cycled, but they're all weak. I mean, it's obvious we're getting unburnt powder. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. So I will be back with a part 2. I'll just be laddering up again, and then hopefully we can find a good load, because this was pretty disappointing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.